Procedure to create service once the user logs into the C4Cars Admin Portal. On the home page and select Services. To create a new service for customers, admin clicks on the Add Services button, enter the service details, and clicks on Add Services button to save the service. To set the time slot for services, admin to click on Setting icon, Weekly Off Setting, select the weekdays on which the garage will be working and click on Update. Select Month, select the month for which these settings will be implemented. Calendar setting, as per the weekly off setting, calendar will be updated. Admin can select any date and mark as holiday and then click on Update All. Holiday setting, for holiday setting, admin to select the date from the drop-down and click on Update Holiday. To remove the specific date from the holiday list, check in the date and click on Remove button. Click on the Next button for more settings. Work time setting, select the start and end time from the drop-down and click on Update button. Time setting, to set the time setting for a month, select the time from the displayed time list and click on Update All to save the setting. Also, admin can set time for one day, to select the date from the drop-down and time accordingly and click on Update Time button. Service setting, select the services admin wants to display to customer and click on Update All, whereas, if admin selects a date from drop and selects the service for date, then click on Update Service. Edit Slot, click on Edit Slot, to set parking and ramp slot and click on Update button to save the slot. Time slot, admin can toggle time slot for service on, off.